Hey guys, Jonathan here, and right now we are going to the Gardens by the Bay Christmas Wonderland. And yes, thank God it's Friday. Kaya dumiretso na agad ako dito galing from work para mas madami akong magawang activity and mapakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nating i-look forward pag pumunta tayo sa loob. So, let's go and check it out! Inside, they have parades featuring festive characters like Santa Claus, dancing elves, reindeer sleighs, and cheeky penguins that will surely entertain you. They also have performances of Christmas Carol at the magical Cassa Armonica gazebo that will perform by different groups. And this is my favorite moment here. Blizzards and snow will never make an appearance in sunny Singapore. However, you can witness bits of snow falling from the sky during blizzard time. Imagine that you are here with your partner or with your friends or family listening to the Christmas music while the snow and blizzards are falling. I've never seen snow in my life and it feels good to have this year. This is my favorite moment here. One of the highlights here is the Garden Rhapsody. It is featuring a special light and sound show at the Super Tree Grove. Those who are tired of the traditional Christmas tree will definitely marvel at the towering super trees.
is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing.
And of course, they have a carnival rides like the Undying Carousel, Bumper Car, Mini Viking, and the Christmas train that will go around the place.
Their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Carnival games are also present here. Make sure that you will get your own stuffed toy by winning the Carnival traditional games.
It's a fifth alive. It's a fifth alive. Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we up, 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 up. We go, we go, we.
There are gift shops at the village too, with items like perfume, phone covers, jewelry, and other things that you might want to check. Limited edition food and drinks are available at the Christmas Village. About the price, it's a bit pricey, but I can say that the food is nice.
So that's it guys. So I hope nagustuhan niyo yung mga nakita niyo today sa Gardens by the Bay Christmas Wonderland. So ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. Pwede kayong mag-games, pwede kayong sumakay ng rides sa mga bata, and there's a lot of foods here. And then ang pinakagustuhan ko talaga dito yung snow. Ganun pala yung feeling kapag ka nasa snow ka. Ewan, kakaiba. So kakaiba, sobrang kakaiba yung feeling. Ang sarap ng feeling ng nasa snow. So I'm thinking of going to other country na meron snow next time. Yung isa sa mga highlights nila is yung Christmas Carol sa gazebo. May mga kumanta dun while may mga lights galing dun sa wall lights, and then yung exhibition ng they called Rhapsody, yung super tree lights show and sound. So they started to operate today, which is November 29, and they will operate until December 26. Yeah, okay. So it's open from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. and the entrance is $6. So I will leave the link below. Actually, I booked the combo which has the Sky Dome. Yung Sky Dome ko, hindi ko na siya nagamit kasi hindi ko alam na 3 p.m. lang pala yun. So, hindi siya pwedeng umakyat ng gabi. They close it at 3 p.m. and hindi ka na pwedeng umakyat after nun. So, today's ticket lang siya so hindi ko siya nagamit. But I have other tourist spot like the Cloud Forest and the Flower Dome, Cloud Forest, or yeah, something like that. So, I can use that sa ibang araw. So heads up, sa susunod na content, pupunta tayo doon and we will do a cinematic shot for that. Celebrate your Christmas here. Celebrate the first days of Christmas. Feel the Christmas here. And come here with your friends and with your partners, with your alone like me. So, yeah, just enjoy the moment. So that's it for me guys. Jonathan here and thank you for watching. See you on my next one.